When replacing windows or doors, proper measurement and fit are just as important as the product itself. Even the highest quality window or door can underperform if it's not measured and installed correctly. Drafts, water leaks, sticking doors, and reduced energy efficiency often trace back to poor fit. That's why working with experienced window and door professionals makes such a difference. Their expertise ensures every installation is precise, secure, and built to perform long-term. Why accurate measurement matters: windows and doors must fit their openings exactly to function as intended. Even small measurement errors can lead to gaps, misalignment, or stress on the frame. Window and door professionals understand that every home is unique. Walls may not be perfectly square, older homes may have settled over time, and openings often vary slightly from standard sizes. Accurate measurement accounts for these real-world conditions rather than relying on assumptions. Thorough evaluation of the existing opening. Professional installers begin by carefully inspecting the existing window or door opening. This includes checking the width, height, and depth at multiple points, not just one spot. By measuring in several locations, professionals identify irregularities that could affect fit. This step ensures the new window or door is sized correctly to accommodate any variations in the opening. Accounting for structural conditions. Proper fit isn't just about the visible opening. Professionals also evaluate the surrounding structure, including framing, sill condition, and wall integrity. If there is damage, warping, or uneven framing, it's addressed before installation. This preparation ensures the new window or door sits securely and operates smoothly without added strain. Understanding manufacturer specifications. Different window and door products have specific clearance and installation requirements. Professionals are trained to follow manufacturer guidelines precisely. By accounting for required tolerances, expansion gaps, and fastening methods, window and door professionals ensure the product performs as designed and maintains warranty coverage. Custom solutions for non-standard openings. Many homes feature openings that don't match standard dimensions. Window and door professionals are skilled at handling custom sizing and unique layouts. Instead of forcing a product to fit, they order windows or doors tailored to the exact measurements of the home. This approach ensures a seamless fit that looks intentional and performs reliably. Ensuring proper alignment and leveling. Fit goes beyond size, it also involves alignment. A window or door that isn't level or square can stick, fail to seal properly, or wear out prematurely. Professionals use specialized tools to ensure precise alignment during installation. This careful adjustment allows windows to open smoothly and doors to close securely every time. Preventing air and water leaks. Accurate measurement and proper fit are critical for sealing. Gaps around windows and doors are common entry points for air and moisture. By ensuring a precise fit, professionals minimize the need for excessive filler materials and create tight, reliable seals that protect the home from drafts and water intrusion. Enhancing energy efficiency and comfort. When windows and doors fit correctly, they help maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Heating and cooling systems don't have to compensate for air leaks or poorly sealed openings. Homeowners benefit from improved comfort, reduced energy loss, and a more stable indoor environment. Reducing long-term maintenance issues. Poor fit often leads to ongoing problems, such as sticking doors, cracked frames, or repeated seal failures. Professional measurement and fitting reduce these issues from the start, saving homeowners time, money, and frustration over the life of the product. Peace of mind through professional expertise. Window and door professionals bring experience, training, and attention to detail that homeowners can rely on. Their process ensures every measurement is accurate and every installation fits as it should. By trusting professionals to handle measurement and fit, homeowners gain confidence that their windows and doors will perform reliably, look great, and provide lasting comfort.